Where's Tori? Tori. There she is. Are you playing peekaboo and the animals? Where'd Tori go? Tori's missing. Tori. There she is. Where'd Tori go? Tori Ray Carpenter. There she is. Can you say animals? Are you don't hit the bears and the animals. It's not nice to hit. Can you give them hugs and kisses and say you're sorry? Say sorry. Aw, that's Mommy's sweet girl. Do you love your animals? Have they been multiplying? Mommy was cleaning out your room and going to get rid of some stuff and realized that the animals are multiplying. Are they breeding? Yeah, that's a lamp. That's not a toy. Well, it's a toy for your dollhouse. But... Ow, that was my toe. Are you done playing peekaboo? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera and wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave bye-bye.